So what we're doing next is put the credit card in, so that gets placed there. And to do that, we need to remove this cable to give us a bit more room. We're going to remove this backing plate, and then in the box for this is a cardboard cutout that we will locate centrally on there. I'll just show you what it looks like. So we will locate that centrally on that section, and we will drill the holes, and then we'll fix the credit card to it. So we'll just cut this last latch, backing plate comes off, so you got access to the back. And what we're going to do now is the actual cardboard with the holes for the screws, we're going to mount that on this section here. So the top and the bottom pretty well fit snug in this little recess, and the side you just need to place that equally, and with the aid of some masking tape, and then we'll drill some holes. So we've got the template on there. What I'm going to do now is mark the holes on there, and then we'll drill them. So we'll use a 5mm drill bit, and we'll drill these holes. To drill the center one, we'll use a step drill. Stop. Now this is ready to install. Just make sure you have a SIM card in here. So this SIM card can be removed or installed that way. Lock it in place, and now we're going to screw it in. Before we screw it in, we're going to put the cable through this hole, so I've got access to the back of the card reader, and we'll go from there. Thanks. The cable that has to go through that hole is the aerial cable. The aerials, we normally place them up here on the inside, and we're going to poke this wire through the hole so we can plug it in to the card reader. So the aerial goes in this hole, so you just push it in, and this cable here goes in that socket there. We'll just get the cover for it. Just pop this in. And it's locked in place there. So we'll just push the excess cables back in. That way they'll give us a bit more room to place the screws. That's it. So we've screwed in the 2 backing screws, or the 4 backing screws. What we do now is the actual strap we'll just put that up onto the LCD screen.
Oh, it took off earlier.
That's right. And the next step is we'll wire it up. Cable here. This one here goes into the note reader. This one, the coin mat, goes into this part of the note reader cable. And this part of the yellow cable goes to the power cable in the machine. And then the other one we've got is we put in a DEX cable, which is a socket and pin, goes in there. And then after we do the software, the DEX cable goes in there. But for the time being, we leave it unplugged. So what we do now is we just tidy up some of these cables so they're not in our way. So that is the payment systems. We've got the note reader, card reader, and the coins go through there and into the coin mat. We've tidied up the cables, and now the next step is we'll start doing some of our software.